Welcome to Home Food Best Food. Click on the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with
Today's recipe is Mishti Doi or BHAPA Doi. It is a traditional Bengali dessert commonly made in West Bengal and Bangladesh. It's a classic recipe which includes thickening of milk and sweetening it with caramelized sugar or jaggery and later combining it with yogurt. Let's start the recipe. Take 1/3 cup of sugar in a heavy bottom saucepan. Put it on stove on medium flame and keep stirring using a spatula. Now you can see the sugar has started melting. Please do not add any water. This is the step where we are caramelizing sugar. Once you reach this step, keep the stove on low flame. Now you can see the sugar is almost caramelized. It's turning brown in color. To 1 hour on low flame until it is set well. Refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours and serve. Refill water if required. The yogurt was set more than perfect. It was creamy, smooth, and look at the rich color. It was exactly same as the Kolkata ones. We all enjoyed eating this delicious Mishti Doi. Try this delicious yummy Mishti Doi at home and let me know if you like it. Thanks for watching.